was 30 days to 36 hours. So
Correct.
one day is equal to 24 hours. So 30 into 24 is 720 hours. Then
Correct.
I divided 720 upon 36 and I got 20 is to 1.
Yes. So the main important point in ratio is that the unit should be same. When you are finding out the ratio, okay, in fraction, not necessarily the units are same, but here in ratio, the unit should be same in numerator and denominator. Therefore, the ratio will have no unit because the unit get cancelled.
That's why I converted first.
Yes, so
One
you
day.
have to convert it. Okay.
Yes.
So I'm going to share it. So the homework question answer is 20 is to 1. Ibrahim has already explained how to get this answer. So I'm going to the next question. Okay. In a computer lab, there are 3 computers for every 6 students. How many computers will be needed for 24 students? How will you find out this type of question?
3 into 24.
No, 3 into 24, how will it happen? See, you have to think like this. If you have
divided by 3, we will write 1 student is equals to 3 upon 6.
3 upon 6, 1 student. No. See, how do we write this statement? Don't confuse. 3 by 6 hoga ya 6 by 3 hoga, that you have to see. In a computer lab, there are 3 computers for every 6 students. Okay. So 6 students use how many computers?
3 computers. 1 computer.
3 computers.
2. Ma'am, means 6 students all together use 3 computers. 2 by 1. Individually. Ma'am, 2 by 1.
Computers. So 1 student will use how many computers?
1.
Half computer.
Half computer.
Correct. Very good. So whenever you have to find for 1, you have to divide the total number of computer upon total number of student. So 1 student will use 3 by 6, which is equal to 1 by 2 computers. Okay.
Yes, ma'am,
1 by 2
practically.
1 by 2 is practically not possible. That means 2 students are there on 1 computer. It means that. Okay. So 1 student use 1 by 2 computer. That means then how many computers will be required for 24 students?
1 by 2 into 24
into 1 upon
Correct.
2.
So if you have
1 by 2 into 24.
you can find out for number of students. So your purpose is to find out for 1 student. So 24.
We just have to multiply.
Yes, please write down these statements. 24 students will use.
12 is the answer is 12, ma'am.
1 by 2 into 24, which is 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. So 12 computers. Okay. So this way you have to write the answer. Write down this answer. 6 students.
But why we divide 3 and 6? We have to divide 6 and 3 now.
No, see, if you are writing computer over here and students over here, if you are writing 3 computers used by 6 students, okay, so 1 computer will be used by how many students? 6 by 3, which is 2. That means 2 students are using 1 computer. Remember that.
Yes.
Okay, so what you are writing here, this divided by this will be for 1. Okay, so what you are asking, you need to find out for 1 student, not for 1 computer, because in the question they have asked number of computers for this many students. 24 students they have asked. So student should be here on left hand side. Don't write this one. Okay, this is clear what I have written.
12 computers will be needed for 24 students.
Yeah, so 24 students will use how many computers? Will need
12.
question need hai?
12 computers.
Yeah, will need 1 by 2 into 24, which is 12 computers. Okay, can I erase this now? Everyone has
Ma'am, that.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Done?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, I'm going to erase this now. Next question. Next question is population of Rajasthan is 570 lakhs and population of UP is 1660 lakhs. Okay. Area of Rajasthan is 3 lakh kilometer square and area of UP is 2 lakh kilometer square. Okay. Area ka unit hamesha I have told you square mein rehta hai. Okay. Because it is multiplication of two things, two sides. Now, how many people are there per kilometer square in both these states? Per का मतलब होता है upon. Okay, like we say na, like yesterday we were studying 20 kilometer per hour. We said per ka means 20 kilometer upon 1 hour. Okay, so here they have asked per kilometer square in both the states. Okay, so people per kilometer for Rajasthan. For Rajasthan will be how much?
1660 lakh minus
Ma'am,
kilometer
570 lakhs minus 570 lakhs divided by 3 lakhs kilometer.
Correct. 570 lakhs upon 3 lakh. Okay, so this is
upon 3 lakh kilometer
square. So this is per kilometer square. We are getting lakh में lakh चला जाएगा, cancel हो जाएगा. How much we are getting?
1 minute में.
Okay, so answer is 190 per kilometer square. Yes.
Ma'am, 1 minute, can I take the screenshot of this?
Ma'am, can I write down the stat?
So that is 190 people per kilometer square. Okay, for Rajasthan it is 190 people. You can write like this. 190 kya? So 190 number of people hai na, 190 people per kilometer square.
Ma'am, for UP is 360 people, 830 people.
So for UP, calculate for UP. For UP is 1660
I did
lakh
1660 upon 2.
Upon 2 lakh, okay?
Upon 2
lakh kilometer square. So how much we are getting? 2 8s are 16, 2 3s are 6.
2 1s are 1, and ma'am we will cut
830.
830. So for UP, it is 830 people per kilometer square.
Ma'am,
Okay.
second answer is Rajasthan. Which state is less populated?
Which state is less populated? So you will say Rajasthan.
Rajasthan.
Okay. Yeah. Rajasthan is less
Ma'am,
populated.
if we divided it in lakhs, then why did we write the answer in kilometers per kilometer square?
नहीं, lakh तो zeros होते हैं. Lakh is a quantity. 2 lakh means 2 के ऊपर 5 zeros. So ऊपर में भी 5 zeros रहेगा. So I cancelled it. Lakh लिखा नहीं आया. I'm not written zeros.
No, ma'am, but the unit is kilometer square.
Yes, kilometer square. Like we write 20 meter square. तो यहाँ पे इतना lakh kilometer square. This much lakh kilometer square is the area. Okay, total area of the whole state. So that will be that much, na? इतना बड़ा state है, तो उसका area is this much. And see, area of Rajasthan ज़्यादा है, and that is why population per square means denser population is in UP. Because area is smaller and more number of people are there. So ज़्यादा पास है.
Ma'am,
Okay.
you will not divide 830 further.
Why? किससे divide करेंगे? It is done now.
Yes.
30
But
people per
like-
kilometer square I got.
It will get more divides now. It comes in 2 tables. अच्छा, 2
नहीं तो
already
नीचे से 2
got.
cancel हो.
Yes,
2 तो
yes, I
cancel.
forgot.
30 you got na denominator now.
Ma'am, second answer is Rajasthan because 190 is smaller.
Answer is Rajasthan. Yes. Okay, I'm going to erase this page now. Everyone has noted down. Everyone completed? Can I
No, ma'am,
erase?
that no.
Yes, ma'am, you can erase.
Yes, ma'am, I'm done.
Okay, ma'am, done. Yes.
Okay. Now next exercise is what we have already done. Percentage. Remember, I taught you percentage last year. So percentage
Ma'am,
pe,
I
what
have
is
one question, ma'am. Ma'am, the state more
Yes,
popular is
yes.
UP, na? Because it has 830 people kilometer square and
correct, correct. more populated is UP, but the state less populated they have asked in question is Rajasthan. Okay, so percentage is, see, one way of comparing quantities is ratio that we have done just now. Now another comparing quantity is percentage. Like you will find out, suppose you have given test which is out of 50, and your friend which is who is studying in another school, and he has given test which is out of 25. Okay, so when you want to compare your marks, who has done better in class? Okay, so you will find out percentage. Like what is percentage? Percentage. Cent means 100. Okay, you have learned this and I have already taught you also. So means out of 100 how much you have got, that is percentage. Okay, so you will, for both of you, you will see that how much out of 100 you would have got, that is your percentage, and then you can compare you will get how much and he will get how much, and then you can say who has done better. Okay, for example, so whenever you have to convert anything into percentage, you have to multiply by 100. For example, suppose Ibrahim gets 25 out of 30. Okay, and
So ma'am, we will do 25 divided by
school,
30.
his friend gets 40 out of 50.
No, ma'am, we will
Okay?
do 25
Now see,
upon 30 into 100 to get the percentage.
so see, the out of marks are different, so you cannot compare who has done better. So what we'll do, we'll convert it into percentage. How will we convert? We'll convert fraction into percentage by
25
multiplying it by
30 into
100. So how much we are getting?
By multiplying by 100.
Ma'am, 25 by 30 into 100.
Ma'am, your voice is lagging.
Yes, ma'am, your voice is going big, sir.
I got disconnected.
Ma'am,
Till
you
where you
got
have just
disconnected now, so बीच में से आवाज was going and then coming.
Okay, 25 by 30.
25 upon 30.
One friend got 25 by 30, other friend got 40 upon 50. Okay, so we'll find out the percentage and we'll see who has performed better. So 25 by 30, we'll multiply it by 100 and we'll get it
100.
percentage.
0, 0, cut.
3 3s are 9.
1s are 3.
Okay, how much is it? 25 3s are 75, carry 7. 25 3s are again 75 plus 7 is what? 75. 7. Yeah,
Ibrahim
82.
did better.
Better.
Yes, ma'am, because 40 out of 50, 10 marks less, and this I got 5
say.
marks
This way you
less.
cannot say. Let us see.
But ma'am, the
5
answer will be
10.
same only.
So it is 80%. So you scored 80% marks and you 82.5% marks. Okay, so who did better?
I, ma'am.
You cannot say keep 10 marks less. That way you cannot calculate. Every time it won't be, you won't get the answer. Okay.
Ma'am,
Okay.
but I was asking 30 into 100. So you did 3 ones are 3 and then 3 3s are 9. So how did you got 0.3?
It is 0. I already cancelled first.
Dividing in point.
Decimal division. 10 divided by 3. 3 is a 9. So 3 is a 9. You have learned these things. Don't forget these things. Okay. These are basics. So 3.3, I did just one decimal I took. Okay. So this way you have now.
You will have to put bar on 3 because it will go on like that only.
Put 3.33 bar you can put. Okay. Let us see the chapter. What is given in the chapter? Okay. So percentage, you can see Anita's report 320 by 400% she got. Rita's report 300 by 360, and percentage is 83.3. Okay. Got it? So this way you can find out who has performed better. So for percentage, denominator is 100, so you can easily get. See here, even if you don't multiply, here if you see, if you make the denominator 100, so 320 upon 400, just multiply it by 100, you'll get the answer in this thing. It is 80%. Okay. So anything to be converted into percentage, you need to multiply by 100. Anything. It can be decimal, it can be fraction. Anything you want to convert into percentage, multiply it by 100 and put a percent sign. Okay. Now try these. Find the percentage of children of different height for the following data. Number of children, and this is 110 centimeter. Okay, this table you can see. Reena made a tabletop of 100 different color tiles. She counted yellow, green, blue tiles. Yellow was 14. So 14 out of 100 is yellow. So what percent? 14%. Green is 26. So 26 out of 100 is, so 26%. Now here, same way here, find the percentage of different heights for the following data. In fraction, number of children is 22, height is 110 centimeter. So how much will be the in fraction?
22 upon 110.
22 upon 100.
And what will be the percentage?
Multiplied by 100.
Multiplied by 100.
22%.
Multiplied by 22 upon 110
Ma'am,
into
22%.
1.
22%.
Correct. Let us do the exercise. This we were doing. Yeah, this we were doing. Okay. Percentage when total is not 100. When total is not 100, then what we'll do? We'll just leave it. You just learn you have to multiply by 100. Okay. Converting fraction numbers into percentage. So write 1 by 3 as percent. What?
Multiplied by 100. 1 by 3.
Anything to convert.
Ma'am, your voice is breaking.
Yes, 1 by 3 multiply by 100 and you will get the answer. Percentage. Okay. Am I clear now?
Ma'am,
No,
ma'am, the
ma'am.
answer Your will voice be was 3 lagging. Ma'am, the answer
Your
will
voice
be 3
is
point-
going.
Ma'am, the answer will be 3.3 bar.
Yes, it will be how much? 33.33.
bar.
Correct. That way you can get the answer. Out of 25 children in a class, 15 are girls. So what percentage is girl? What is the percentage of girl?
15 upon
25 into 100.
into 100.
Correct.
Then 25 ones are 25 fours. And 15 into 4, you get 60.
60%.
So 60% are girls. So how many boys are there? Then understood it. It is understood.
40%.
Correct. So
100
40%
minus
boys.
60 is 40% boys.
Correct. Convert 5 by 4 to percent. Can you give me the answer? 5 by 4 into percent. How much is that?
Ma'am, 5 by 4
5.
multiplied by 100.
Answer. Yes, answer.
5%. 5%.
That's an I have to give.
5% is wrong.
2 to 5. 2 to 5.
No. Calculation.
125.
120%. 120%.
120 or 125? How much?
120%.
125%.
How you are getting 120, Ibrahim?
Ma'am, 120. It is 125%. Ma'am,
How,
120.
ma'am? 4 ones and then 4.
5 by 4
Yes.
is 200. So 425.
Yes, 25.
So
Sorry, ma'am.
125%.
Calculation.
5 is 125%. Okay, so this way we'll do this exercise. Let us do the exercise. Can you eat 50% of a cake? Can you eat 150% or can you eat 100%? Okay, this is. How will you convert the
of cake.
somebody can eat 100% of cake also.
Ma'am,
Yes.
if it's a muffin, then you
Size
can
of-
eat 100%. Cake muffin.
Convert.
Then you can-
Yes. Decimal 2%. Now what technique I have told you have to multiply it by 100. Anything to
So
convert
we have
into
to move
100.
2 digits. have
Right.
to move.
Yes.
Ma'am, answer is 75 for the A1.
Correct. So it is
75.
65%. You have to say this is 9%.
This is
and
9%.
This will
This
be
is 2%.
20%.
20%. Yes.
na? 0.2 into 100.
We will add 0 now because yes.
So what is the technique to convert into percent?
Multiply by 100.
First step, multiply by 100. Put percent sign in the answer. Okay. So you have to put a percentage sign in the answer because now it is converted into percentage. Okay, let us try these. Convert the following into percentage. 12 by 16, what percent?
25.
Ma'am, we will calculate.
75%. 75%.
12 by 16 into 100 you have to do. Yes, it is 75%. So first answer is 75%. What is second answer?
350%.
350%.
350.
What is C part?
98. 98%.
Ma'am, 100%, ma'am, 100%. Acha, हाँ. Oh, sorry, D वाला is 100.
100.
Ma'am, 98%. 98%.
Yes, C is 98, D is 100%.
Ma'am,
And
50,
what is
ma'am.
E?
D is 50.
5%. C is
5%.
5%. D is
5%.
5%. 5%.
Yeah. Okay, tell me, out of 32 students, 8 are absent. What percent of students are absent?
25. 25%.
How will you find? 8 by 32 into 100. You have to do like this. It's 8 cancel. So answer is 25%. Okay. So out of 32 students, 8 are absent. So what percent of students are absent? 25%. Okay. First answer.
Ma'am, how 25, ma'am? It is 8 now. How 25? If it is 4, then 25 na.
You divide with 4.
It will be 12.5. Ma'am? Ma'am's internet is gone.
This Wi-Fi was switched off. So suddenly I got disconnected. Okay, let us continue. Where were we?
Ma'am, the answer would be 12.5% na.
Which question?
Ma'am, we will do
No,
8
it will be
upon 32.
25.
So how?
It will be 25%.
8 upon 32 into 100.
So that we got an answer. I gave you answer last just now I gave you na first wala answer. What was that? 8 by 32
And we know
into 100.
25%, ma'am. 25%.
Yeah, 25% was the answer. You can cancel and find out the answer. Okay. You want me to do it again? 32 wala.
Ma'am, I
Ibrahim,
am
got it?
saying the answer is 12.5.
Ma'am,
Question 2.
I don't get how did you divide like 8 upon 32? Can you show?
8 upon 32 into 100. 8 से cancel कर लो. 8 ones are 8. 8 fours are. Then
Yes,
4.
8 fours are.
Then
4
420.
ones are. Yes, 420. Okay.
Answer is
I was
20.
getting different answer. I did not do that 4. I did not cancel
Anyway,
the
you
4.
can do. I last time I cancelled like this. Last time I did 4 8s are
Ma'am, last time
425s are like this. So again, any way you do, you will get 25% answer. Okay. Okay, whenever my voice is gone or some disturbance is there, do let me know. Okay. There are 25 radios, 16 of them are out of order. What percent of radios are out of order? Tell me, what will be the answer? How will you find out? What is in numerator? What is in denominator?
16
upon
upon
25
25
into
into 100.
Okay.
Then we
So
will do 2
25
8s are and 2
Why 2
50s
8s
are.
are? 2 से
Ma'am,
नीचे
25 ones are and 25 fours are 100.
84%,
Correct.
ma'am.
Yes.
84%. 84%.
8
16
into
fours
4.
are
Yeah, 16
64.
into 4. Sorry.
64.
16 fours are 64%. Okay. A shop has 500 items, out of which 5 are defective. What percent are defective?
5 upon 500 into 100.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, 100 ones are and 100 fives are. Then
Ma'am, 1%.
1%.
it is 1%. 5 upon
Ma'am, this
5 will be
1%.
cancelled.
ma'am, 1%.
1%.
1%.
Okay. So write the answers. There are 120 voters, 90 of them voted yes. What percent voted yes?
90 upon 120
90
into
upon
100.
120 into 100.
1 0, 1 0 cancel. Then we'll do 2 6 are 12, 2
And
5
2
are 10.
fives are.
Ma'am, we cannot cancel 90 0 also because there's one
No,
more zero.
only
in
1 0 was there. Na? You cannot cancel sideways. You
Answer
have
is
to cancel.
75%.
You cannot.
75%.
3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9 and 0. Then 2 say 2 15. So 15
Ma'am,
fives are
75%.
yes 75%.
Ma'am,
Okay.
but how ma'am 2 denominator में है ना?
हाँ नहीं 2 cancel किया 30 को 30 को
Ma'am,
15
from which did you cancel 6? From what did you cancel 6?
we're doing again.
Ma'am,
120
2 threes will be 6, right? So how will you cancel 3?
Yes.
100.
It
We'll
will
cut
become
0
30 now.
0.
It will become 30.
3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12. Okay. 4 1s are 4, 4 25s are. 25 3s are is 75. So any method you do, you will get same. Last time I did into 100. I cancelled this first. So I did 2 6 are 12 and 2 5s are 10. Then 6 and 9, it will go by, I
3.
did 3.
3 twos are
3
6,
2s are
3 threes
6,
are
3
9.
3s are 9 and 0.
30.
2 1s are 2 and 2
And
15s
2
are 30.
15s are 30.
15
15 into
5
5.
75.
Okay, understood, ma'am.
So any method you do, you will get the same answer. Okay. Can I erase it?
Yes.
Now converting percentage to fraction. Percentage को fraction से में कैसे करेंगे? Reverse. Divided by 100. 1% means 1 by 100. Okay. Remove the percent sign and divide by 100. What is the step? Converting fraction. Decimal बोल रही हूँ. Percentage into fraction or decimal, anything you can convert. Okay, fraction or decimal. So what is the first step? Divide. Everything we have done it in last year. Na? We did this. If you can go through the notes also. Divide
1 up.
percentage by 100. And second, remove
Simplify.
Yes, simplify. Okay, if it is asked in decimal, you will convert it in decimal. If it is asked in fraction, you will convert it in fraction. Okay, so let us do question. You will understand it. Can I erase it?
Ma'am, for 25, we will do
Ma'am, for 25 it
25
is
upon
1 by
100. 25 upon
Ma'am, for
100.
25% it is 1 upon 4.
25 ones and
Correct.
25 fours are 100.
25% is C.
1 upon
25%. If you have to convert
25
it to
upon
fraction,
100.
it is 1 by 4. Okay. If it is to be converted into decimal, so 25 by 100 is actually 0.25. Okay.
Because we will move 2 digits and it will be 0.25.
Correct. So decimal में इस तरीके से करेंगे. You don't have to do the cancellation part.
Ma'am,
And fraction you have to do the
in
cancellation.
decimal, when we are dividing, so we have to move 2 digits to the left, and
Yes.
when we are multiplying, we have to move 2 digits to the right. No?
Right. If it is 100, then you have to move 2 digits.
Yes,
Okay.
if it is 1003.
Correct. Okay, so I'm erasing it, moving to the next part. Now now when you have like two things are there, like 35% plus dash percent is equal to 100%. So 100 minus 75 you will do, how much is that? 35.
75 or 35?
65.
75.
65%.
65, yes. Just a minute, pen is not right.
If we will do 100 minus 35 also, then also we can get.
Yes, 100 minus 35 plus 35 goes over here, minus 35. So you'll get 65%. 64 plus 20 is
14%. Ma'am, 14%. Plus
70,
14.
84, 84. 14 कैसे होगा?
84 na? 84.
16.
Yes,
16%.
16%.
16%, okay. 100% minus what is 45%?
145.
No, 55 na? 100 minus 55 is 45% na?
Sorry.
Okay, next is
Okay.
70% is equal to dash minus
100%.
30%.
100%.
Yes. If 65% of students in a class have a bicycle, what percent of students do not have bicycles?
Ma'am,
Ma'am, 1
35,
minute.
35.
Yes. So it is 35%. Okay, out of 100, 65 are having bicycles. So those who are not having are 100 minus 65, 35%. We
And
have,
20%. 20%.
we have a
answer.
basket full of apples, oranges, and mangoes. 50% apples, 30% oranges. Then what percent are mangoes? So
20%.
20%. 20%.
So whatever is left is 20%. Okay.
This is so easy.
Okay. This type now questions asked are a survey of 40 children showed that 25% liked playing football. How many children liked playing football? So 40 children ka 25%. Okay.
25 upon 40 into 100.
No. 25%
25
of
upon 100 into 40.
into
25
40,
upon
correct.
100 into 40.
Yes, so 25% of 40 children like football. Okay, so that is 25 upon 100 into 40.
Ma'am, percentage will always be in 100 only.
Yes, cent means 100, out of
Ma'am,
100 only. Means any out of 40 hai, total students 40 hai, but we have found it, we have got percentage, means out of 100 is 25. Okay, so what is 25% of 40? Means 40 ka 25%.
2.5. 2.5.
4 is also there, na?
Ma'am, we got 0
Ma'am,
and then
The
25.
10 multiplied by na. That's why
Even if
I
you
was
don't cut 0
5 or
with.
10.
Ma'am, we can do like 5 5 and
Ma'am,
5
10
10
upon
and
1.
5 5
10
and
upon
25.
1
25 4s are 100.
is
Yeah.
equal to 10. Is equal to 10.
So 10. That means ki 10 children liked playing football. Out of 40, 10 children liked playing football. Okay, is it clear?
But I did not understand why we did 25 upon 100 when it was 40 children.
But 25% of 40 is there. Percent, when you are removing percent, you have to write the 100. I didn't write 100% over here. Right? You have to
Okay.
convert out of 20 percentage mein to you have it in the question. But 40 में से कितना है 25%? What is 25% of 40? Okay, 100 तो नहीं है ना total children in class. There are 40
Okay.
children. Okay, 50% of 164. How will you find? Of हमेशा multiply होता है.
50
Remove the
upon 100 multiplied by 100.
Ma'am, I found another way to solve that upper wala question and I got different answer, ma'am.
Then that is a wrong way. Tell me. So answer is 82. Tell me what is your way.
Ma'am, the question was 25 upon 25 upon 100 into 40. So we will remove both the zeros. The zeros of 40.
How will you remove both zeros?
Ma'am, 40 ka 0 and 100 ka 1 0. So it will become
Correct.
10. And so then we can do 10 ka we can do 10, 5 2s are 10 and 5 5s are 25. Then 5 into 4 will become 5 into 4, 5 4s are 20. 20 upon
Correct.
2.
2.
So 2 into 10. Sorry.
Same answer you are getting, na? ठीक है. Okay. 50% of 164 did. चलो अभी ये वाला करो. 75% of
75 upon 100.
Ma'am, I want to ask something in the previous question.
Yes.
Ma'am, 50 upon 100 into 164. So we got 0 now, 1 0 1 0. So then we do 5 ones and then 5 twos are 10.
Correct. Yes.
Yes, that only. Then 2 ones are and 2 82s are 164. Yes.
Correct. 82. Do this.
Ma'am, answer
70.
is 9.
25 threes are 25 fours are 4 threes are. Yes, 9. Second answer is 9. Now 12.5%. Convert it. How will you do this? 12.5 is what? 25 by 2% into 64 of 64. Now 25 by 2 ko you have to divide it by 1000. You know how to divide it by 1000?
Ma'am, how 25? It is 12, na?
12 twos are 24
12,
plus
12, 24 plus 1 will be 25. Half is 1 na.
Okay, now divide by 100 is actually multiplied by reciprocal 1 by 100. Remember fraction ka division. Okay, 25 by 2 ko you have to divide it by 100 na, because to remove the percent sign. So when you remove the percent sign, you have to multiply by the reciprocal of 100. Remember fraction ka division.
Yes.
Okay, so I just did this 25 by 2 into 1 by 100 into 64. 25 fours are.
Ma'am,
Okay.
I did not understand how 25 came in.
Mixed fraction को how convert it now? Mixed fraction को improper में.
2 12 are 24, 24 plus 1 25 upon 2.
25 upon 2.
3 1 by 5, 3 2 by 5. 5 3s are 15 plus 2, 17 by
17
5.
upon 5.
To convert mixed fraction into improper fraction, this way we do. To convert improper fraction into mixed fraction, we divide.
We
5
divide.
3s are 15 and the remainder is in the numerator. 3 2 by 5.
3 2 by 5.
Okay.
QRD.
Conversion of कब कराया था? When you were in
last
right.
year.
Right में कराया था. This is right का topic.
Yes.
Okay, when you were in right.
Ma'am, we were so small that time.
हाँ, 2 साल पहले. 2 years back. Right? It was 2 years.
Yes.
Okay. Next. अभी समझ आया या याद आया कि नहीं?
But still it will be less na. It will be 18 na.
How? What is 12 into 2?
12 का half is 6 ना, then
अरे
6
12
plus
का
12
half नहीं करना है. It is improper fraction, yeah. What is a technique to convert a mixed fraction into improper? It is not 12 ka half. It is 12 and half, not 12 ka half. Okay. It is 12.5 decimal mein. And in improper fraction, it is 25/2. See, convert. इसको convert करके देखो decimal में. It is coming as 12.5. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 fives are 10. See? So mixed fraction हो, improper हो, decimal हो, same value होनी चाहिए. Remember the technique to convert mixed fraction into improper fraction. You are getting confused. Okay, so I told you that 25/2 divided by 100 you have to do to remove the percent sign, and then into 64. Now divided by 100 is actually into 1/100 into 64. 25 fours are 100. 4
2
16,
ones are 2
16.
and 2
16.
threes are and 2 twos are, yes, 16.
and 2 8s are 16. ये 2 था यहाँ पे. So answer is 8.
Ma'am, how did you get? Acha, you did from 4, okay.
4 से 16 आया, यहाँ पे 2 was there, so 2 से 8. Okay.
Ma'am, what if we can do like this? 2 ones are and then 2 threes are, see.
Anyway you do, anyway. Method should be correct. Answer should be same. Correct answer. Okay. 8% of children of a class of 25 like getting wet in the rain. How many children like getting wet in the rain? So 8% of 25. Simple hai. 8/100 into 25. 4s are 4, 2s are.
Ma'am, 2, ma'am,
And
2.
so 2 children like to get wet in the rain.
2 children.
Yeah. Note down the homework. Huh?
Ma'am, you are giving from exercise.
Yes.
Okay.
Question number 1 is homework. Convert the given fractional numbers to percentage. Okay, you know how to convert it into percent? Just multiply it by 100. Okay, and put a percent sign. So question number 1 and question number 2, I'll check. These are homework on Thursday. Will be able to do? What is the method? Multiply
ma'am.
by
Yes,
100.
Multiply.
Multiply by 100.
And simplify, remove the percent sign. No. What is it?
And
Given
in second,
put
in
the percent
second one
sign.
also, yes, in second
one
one
also
also
you have
we
to
have to
multiply by
multiply by 100.
All the questions you have to multiply by 100 to convert it into percentage. Okay. Will you be able to do?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay. For now, just do this one. We did this, no? We did this. Abhi kiya na ye wala? Haan. Okay. 9 is, now this type of question is asked a lot, and many children do mistake in this. 9 is 25% of what number? Last time also I was teaching you, but that time I was teaching you using algebra, and I told you, remember x karke karna hai. So 9 is answer, actually 9 is answer.
So 25% of x is equal to 9.
9 is 25% of x.
25 upon 100
25%
into
of
x is equal to 9. Yes.
So this is 4. Now x is equal to 9 into 4, because 4 is in the denominator, it will go and get multiplied. यहाँ पे divided है, so it will go over here and get multiplied. So
20,
30.
ma'am, 36.
Okay, 75% of what number is 15? So 75 by 100 into x is equal to 15. 25 is 25 fours. So 3 by 4, x
Ma'am.
is equal to 15.
But
So x is equal to 15 into 4 upon
by-
3. Remember, cross,
Yes, ma'am, cross.
multiply and divide it. So
Yes.
3 5s are 15.
15,
So answer is
20. X is
20.
equal to 20.
So second part, answer is 20. So we'll do till here. Next time we'll check the homework exercise and rest of the
Ma'am,
questions.
x is equal to 36 or 20?
So 9 4s are 36, na?
Yes, okay.
Okay, done. Can I stop sharing?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so that will be all in today's class. See
Bye,
you in
ma'am.
the next. Bye.